Hello everyone, welcome back to Physics Tech YouTube channel. It's me, Shafas. Today I am going to show you something interesting thing. Some exclusive thing for you. This phenomenon happened only after 800 years. The name of the phenomenon is Saturn-Jupiter Conjunction. What is Saturn-Jupiter conjunction? It's an overlapping of Saturn and Jupiter. Consider this is Saturn. Saturn have rings. Then the Jupiter will come at an angle of 0.01 degree. Which means that it will overlap the Saturn. Then what we can see from this, here you can see that the Jupiter have a ring. One of the beautiful phenomenon happening today. I hope you like this video. To get more video, just share this video to your friends and support us.